you ever wondered where the unique flavor in Japanese ramen or dashi broth comes from? The answer lies in Katsuobushi, a fermented dried bonito that is considered the soul of Japanese cuisine. Join me as we explore the fascinating journey of creating this special seasoning. Traditional fish used to make katsuobushi is skipjack tuna, known as katsuo in Japanese. Fresh, high-quality tuna is selected to ensure the best results. Step 1. Simmering. The fillets are placed in large metal baskets and simmered in water at a precise temperature, just below boiling, for about 60 to 90 minutes. This cooking process helps to remove excess moisture and fat from the fish, while preserving the natural flavors. Careful temperature control is crucial to prevent the fish from becoming tough. Step 2. Deboning and shaping. After simmering, the fish fillets are carefully deboned by hand, and any remaining impurities are removed. The fillets are then shaped with special wooden tools to ensure they are uniform and aesthetically pleasing. This step requires an experienced hand, as the fillet must be smooth and free of imperfections. Step 3. Smoking. The fillets are smoked repeatedly using oak, cherry, or other hardwoods for several hours per session over a period of weeks. The fish is hung in a smoking room, and each smoking session infuses the fillets with a deep, savory flavor. This stage not only imparts a rich aroma, but also dries out the fish, making it firm. Step 4. Sun-drying and fermentation. Once smoking is complete, the fish undergoes fermentation. The fillets are left to dry naturally under the sun, then inoculated with a specific type of mold, similar to the process used in making sake or miso. The mold ferments the fish, further breaking down proteins and enhancing the umami flavor. This process is repeated multiple times over several months, during which the mold is brushed off and reapplied. Have you ever wondered how those plump, fragrant Japanese eels on your plate are raised? Today, let's embark on a fascinating journey, from tiny eggs to the full-grown Japanese eels, ready to captivate diners' taste buds. Japanese eel, a world-renowned delicacy, is not only a delicious dish, but also the result of a meticulous and modern farming process. journey begins with the careful selection of healthy, high-quality parent eels. These individuals receive special care to ensure that the eggs are of the highest quality. The egg incubation process is conducted in stable temperature and humidity conditions, simulating a natural environment. Advanced artificial techniques are applied to increase the success rate of hatching. After hatching, the young eels are transferred to specialized rearing tanks. The water environment in these tanks is carefully regulated for temperature, pH levels, and dissolved oxygen content. The young eels are provided with nutrient-rich, easily digestible food to ensure they grow strong and healthy. As the young eels grow, they are moved to commercial farming tanks. Here they are fed high-quality industrial pellets, specifically researched and produced for Japanese eels. To ensure their continued health, farmers regularly monitor water quality, clean the tanks, and implement measures to prevent disease. After a period of careful nurturing, the eels reach market weight and are ready for harvest. The harvesting process is swift to ensure the quality of the eels remains intact. Once harvested, the eels are cleaned, prepped, and processed into various dishes, ranging from traditional recipes to modern creations, meeting the diverse preferences of consumers.